Hi, I'm Julie Drake with Advanced Innergy, and I'm the Wellness on the Go expert here and the emotional regulation coach. And I'm here with Tina because Tina has quite a story to share. Tina, you've been a client of ours for a couple months now, and what I would love you to share is how you first found out about us and kind of your journey through where you are today. So how did you find out about us?
I've been coming here about 4 months, and I found out about your open house through some friends, and they invited me to come, so I came that night and I tried the red light bed, and when it made such a difference for me. I came out and my friend said, "You are really looking a lot straighter." I had scoliosis. I've grown up with that, so I was surprised to see such a difference in such a short amount of time.
Yeah. And now you have been here for 4 months. What have you used at the center? You said the LED bed. What are some other pieces that you like to use here?
I have used the PEMF mat. I have used also the Presso machine.
The Presso Therapy, yep.
That has been really helpful also. The Hyperbaric Chamber and the hydrogen.
Okay.
So quite a
Awesome.
few pieces of
You've
equipment.
used quite a few.
Yeah.
And so you said that you weren't expecting the results so fast. What brought you here? Were you looking for solutions, or were you just thinking I'll come and check it out and just you like general wellness?
I was just thinking I'll come check it out. We try to do more natural wellness sort of things. I have terrible allergies, so I struggle with drugs and different things like that I cannot use. So this was like great that I actually saw results. I just really never expected that after just one time seeing results.
Now, you also have a family member that you've brought here. Your dad, Chuck, has come and used the center. Tell us a little bit about what you saw in your dad that you thought would be helpful here for him, and what are the results that you've seen as a family?
We had noticed that he was struggling to find his words, and that he was having a hard time having conversation with us because of that. And my sister and I had discussed, she has been here. She would like to bring him here, and I thought he could use it also. So after I came in, he could see such a difference in myself. We decided to invite him to come. So he came, and we have noticed a huge difference in his memory. He also had a hip issue, which it has helped that an awful lot also.
Yeah.
But the memory is it's just been unbelievable. He doesn't struggle for his words anymore and stuff. As a matter of fact, he got up at church on Sunday for Father's Day, and he went up and talked about the church many years ago. His family has gone there for many years, and he could remember everything. He remembered numbers of people there, dates.
I love that.
So it was pretty phenomenal. He never struggled for his words once that day up in front of the church.
That's wonderful. I know we've seen such a difference in when he first came to now. So, sometimes when we spend time with somebody every day, we don't realize some of those improvements. So I love what you said about, when a family member is struggling, I think sometimes there's a tendency to fall into, well, it's just time for that. Or, maybe that's just his path now. Because how old is your dad?
My dad is 88 years old. And he's very active at his age and stuff, but it was really bothering us, the struggle with the brain. We could just see him really struggling with it. And we wanted to try to do something to help.
And what does he use when he's in the center?
He uses the Hyperbaric. He uses the Theta Bed.
Yes.
He really likes that. That has helped a lot, we think, with his condition.
Yeah.
And he also will use the red light and the PEMF mat and the Presso machine, because those can help his hips and his back. And then the Theta Bed really helps his brain.
That's fantastic. So it's kind of an all in the family thing with you guys. I love that. And you come to our workshops often. So it's just been great talking to you today, Tina. And thank you for sharing. And thank you for sharing in the community about what we are doing here, because it's stories like yours is why we brought the center to our hometown of Peoria. So thank you so much.
Oh, we're really happy to have found this place. We really are. We feel like it has done a lot for all of us that are coming here.
Fantastic. And if you want to know what we can do for you, visit the website at advancedenergy.com or call us at 309-220-8222 and find out what we can do for you. Like Tina said, you just never know.